Go.
The rain is up. It's going. I see no lightning in the sky right now. Haven't heard thunder in a couple seconds.
Matt Roach right here reporting live from Hinsdale. And we have a massive storm going on out there. There's thunder in the distance, and there's lightning strikes out there by the far field. The rain is coming down, heavy buckets.
Liam Miller here from Hinsdale, Massachusetts, and it is absolutely pouring out here. As you can see, lightning everywhere, thunder, rain's coming down. You can see the street, it's just dripping. All the branches are just hanging down there.
Riley Forrester here in Hinsdale, Massachusetts. This storm is ugly, almost as bad as my mom's cooking. I mean, you see lightning bolts coming from the sky. Look, drop, drop, drop. It is wet. It is wet, all right. Did you know water is wet?
2, 1.
And though the rain seems to be letting up, it is continuing to pour down. Trees still dripping and the roof still pouring down sheets of water earlier. This rain was absolutely massive, but it is still pushing on, putting together some effort. We're hearing some rumbling of thunder in the distance. We haven't seen really a stark and cut out thunderclap for quite a while, but it's kind of been rumbling constantly.
Go.
TJ Hardy here reporting from Hinsdale, Massachusetts. And as you can see, second base is almost damming up right now from all the rain. And right here, you see the rain just pouring off the roof. Drip, drip, drip. This rain is really flowing fast. If you'll just indulge me for a minute, look at that. There's a pool ball right there, almost damming up the river flow right here. And you just see the rain just pouring down. Drip.
How has the storm affected your day today?
What storm?
Go.
I'm Dylan Quinn from Hinsdale, Massachusetts. Oh, it's pouring out. The rain. I just saw lightning. It's so raining out. The thunder's so loud.
Coming to you live from Hinsdale, Massachusetts. We've got a terrible thunderstorm going on right here. The rain has been pouring down for a good 10 minutes. They're followed by accompaniment of lightning and thunder. And look, the fog is rolling in over there. It looks like they're teaming up to bring misery.
Rain, rain.